something you want to say? You look like you want to get something out, son. My God! Hot, man! I'm bleeding!
Oh, God, that's Richard.
I don't give a fuck.